Hi, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you activate your foil transfer starter kit. The first thing you need to do is be logged in to Canvas Workspace for web, so the online version. If you've not got a Canvas online account, go to canvasworkspace.brother.com and just create a free account. You just need to select a username and password. Once you are then logged in, come up to where the little person is at the top. You'll see your login name. Select that. Go to Premium Function Activation, and then in the activation box type in the number from your card and click the blue Activate button. Once you have done that, it will bring up a window asking you to confirm the kit you are activating, and then again click Activate. This message will now come up telling you that the process has been completed. Select OK. When you scroll down now, you will see all the kits you have activated in your ScanNCut Canvas Workspace online. Now you just need to enable the function on your ScanNCut machine. Now I am going to show you how to activate the foil kit on your machine. Okay, so to activate the function directly on your machine, and the foiling kit works on any SDX, DX or CM model machine. So I'm using an SDX 2200 Disney. You need to go to the wrench icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you've got a CM model, yours is probably on the outside of your machine. The setup may be slightly different on a CM, but you should be able to follow the process. So I'm going to hit the wrench icon. I'm going to scroll down until I find where I can activate this kit, and it says here Premium Function, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to scroll down where it says Kit Activation Foil and switch that on and say OK and OK. And I think that's all there is to it. So now I'm just going to go to Pattern and I'm going to choose a basic shape. I'll just choose a circle for now, and I'll set that on my mat. And then I'll go to OK, select, and now I've got the option to use the foil, so you would glue first and then you would foil second. So that's all there is to it. So to quickly show you where to find it, I'm just going to choose a pattern. I'm going to choose a basic shape. I'll just choose a scallop and I'll say set. That's now on my mat. And if I were ready to, just foil this shape, I would say OK, I would go to please select, and now the foiling option pops up at the bottom, and you glue first and foil second. And then in another video, I'm going to show you how to actually foil a project. So I hope you found that helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.